Standard 8, Subject English, 3.1 Y, English Workshop, page number 57 and 58. RJP School Balgur presents English Workshop on the poem Why. Hello student, today we are going to learn English Workshop on the poem Why. मित्रांनो, आज आपण Why या कवितेवर आधारित इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप हा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. So, our first question is read the poem, discuss and complete the following blanks with proper action words into bracket verbs. मित्रांनो, आज आपण या प्रश्नात पुढे काही गाळलेल्या जागा आपल्याला भरायच्या आहेत. त्यासाठी योग्य त्या ऍक्शन वर्डचा वापर करायचा आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वुड स्विम, मार्बल्स सिंक, स्टार्स शाइन्स, winds blow, sun sink, flowers die, ocean ebb, fish swim, rain fall, ice melt, bees sting. In this way, we have completed the blanks with proper action words. Now, the second question is discuss in pairs and write the rhyming pairs of words from the poem. We have to discuss in pair and we have to find out the rhyming pairs. आपल्याला कवितेमधून rhyming pairs शोधायचे आहेत. First is boy, why. Second is sink, drink. Third is sky, die. Fourth is nose, flows. Fifth is fly, sky. Sixth is stone, bone. These all are the rhyming pairs which are in the poem. Now, the third question. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by and by? In these two lines, the word why is repeated. So, it is a figure of speech called repetition. मित्रांनो, कवितेतील या ओळीत why या शब्दाची पुनरावृत्ती झाली आहे. जेव्हा शब्दाची पुनरावृत्ती होऊन तिची अधिक परिणामकारकता दर्शवली जाते, तेव्हा त्या अलंकारास रिपीटेशन असे म्हणतात. In this sentence, why is repeated for more than one time. Now, what is repetition? Repetition. It is a figure of speech in which one or more words are repeated in the same sentence. For example, sun, sun, it gives me great joy. Sun is repeated twice. Now, find out the lines from the poem which show repetition. आता आपण कवितेमध्ये रिपीटेशन या ओळी आलेल्या आहेत त्या आपण पाहूया. The first, why pop guns should go pop and why. या सेंटेन्स मध्ये why हा शब्द रिपीट झालेला आहे. In the second, why bees should sting and why the east. या सेंटेन्स मध्ये सुद्धा why हा शब्द रिपीट झालेला आहे. So these two are the examples of repetition. Now the fourth question is complete the wave diagram. In this picture or in this diagram there is the little boy wants to know. The little boy wants to know and why. So little boy has some questions. Which questions little boy have? Little boy wants to know why the sun sinks behind the sun. Second, the little boy wants to know why wood should swim. Third is The little boy wants to know why stars should swim. The little boy wants to know why the flowers die. The little boy wants to know why rain falls from the sky. Now, the fifth question is complete the following blanks from the poem. Pair activity. Friends, in the first diagram, words from the poem related to environment. म्हणजे पहिल्या डायग्राम मध्ये एन्व्हायरमेंट या शब्दाशी संबंधित काही वर्ड्स कवितेमध्ये आलेले आहेत ते आपल्याला सांगायचे आहेत. द फर्स्ट इज विंड, स्काय, स्टोन, wind, flowers, clouds. These are the related words which are related to environment. In the second diagram, words from the poem related to animals, fruits, insects. Now, spider, flies, sting, fish, seeds, stone. These all are the words from the poem which are related to animals, fruits and insects. Now the next question is word chain. We have to complete the word chain. For example, it. In word it, T is the last letter, so from T we can say T for tiger. In tiger, R is the last letter, so we can say R for run. In this way, N for nose, E for easy. Now we will learn the first sky. Y for egg, K, A for kind, D for deer, R for report. The second is cloud, D for duck, K for king, G for gun, N for naughty. The third is wind, D for deep, P for prey, Y for yellow. The fourth is star, R for ration, N for nation, N for nine. Fifth is Y, Y for L, L for love, E for east. In this way, we have completed our today's session, that is English. Thanks for watching this video, student.